Have Vismaya for the part 2 session of A&A and today. So hi Vismaya,
Hi Srilekha, how are you?
I'm doing great.
Okay, so Srilekha, shall we get into the session?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, good afternoon everyone. This is Vismaya. Rashmi, Irshad, are you ready? Shall we have a quiz session today?
Yes, sure. Good afternoon.
Yes. So I hope you're clear with the, and the usage of all these three articles. Is there any doubts that you want me to clarify?
No.
Sure. Okay, so let me project something on your screen. Please let me know once you're able to see that. Yes. So today we will be having a quiz session. So each one, whoever is ready, let's go this way. I'll tell the number. You can read the question and guess the answer. Okay. So who wants to keep a tab of the points that you guys are scoring? Or each one wants to keep a tab? How is it?
Okay.
Okay, done. Okay, so first one, Irshad, read the first sentence and try to find the answer, Irshad.
The horse
Yes.
runs fast.
Okay, very good. It's right. Second one, Rashmi.
I saw a boy running in the street.
Very good. Sunil, third one.
He can play upon
Hmm.
the flute very well.
Very good. Irshad, fourth one.
I saw an old man in the street.
Very good. Rashmi, next.
All the boys were present.
Very good. Sunil. Hmm.
He is Mr. Pill, Empil.
He he's
He's a
Mr. He
he's
is
a
a okay.
he's
No,
a
it's an. He's an MPhil. Exceptional case we discussed, right? Sometimes English does throw us exceptionals, and this is just one of it. So he is an MPhil. Okay. Next one, Irshad.
The moon is shining in the sky.
Very good. Rashmi.
Man is a rational being.
Very good. Sunil.
I have read Arabian Nights.
I have read the Arabian Nights. No problem, Sunil. Next, Irshad.
Dawn is an English paper.
Dawn is an English paper. Very good. Rashmi.
The whole milk was spilled.
Okay. Sunil.
He's a European boy.
Right?
Ah.
Very good. Next one.
The higher you go, the cooler it is.
Very good. Rashmi.
We saw a snake in the grass.
We saw a snake in the grass. Very good. Next one.
The handle of this jug is durable.
The handle of this jug is durable. Very good. Irshad.
He came here an hour ago.
He came here an hour. Very good. Now let me scroll the sheet for you. Okay. Yes, Rashmi.
The topic we are discussing is very interesting.
Very good. Sunil.
She gave me a book.
Very good. Irshad.
He read a book I gave him.
He read a book I gave him. Okay. Good. Rashmi.
The less you work, the less you gain.
A less you gain, you said.
Yes. Yes.
The less you work, the less you gain.
Okay.
Next one, Irshad.
I have a bag of rice.
Very good. Irshad.
The river is full of water.
Yes. Next one, Rashmi.
We rode an elephant.
Okay. Next one, Sunil.
He hit himself with a stick.
A or an?
Ah,
Very good. Good. So, what is the score? Any idea?
I have scored 7 points.
Irshad, you?
8.
Seven.
Huh. Who's scoring the highest right now?
no.
Rashmi.
Rashmi.
Seven.
Oh, it's
Seven
all.
only.
Oh, okay. All the three agree with the scores, is it?
No.
Why are you fighting with the scores then?
No, we got equal, right? So 7 each. Rashmi got 7, I got
Okay.
7.
All right. So there are some more some more questions that need to be answered. Okay, who wants to go first? One is a paragraph, one is match the following.
Sir, can you please increase the font size? It is little bit blurred.
Yes, ma'am.
Or all right,
Zoom.
we'll do that. You are able to see it clearly now.
Para is able to clearly. What about
Okay.
not? Okay.
Okay. Now who wants to go first?
The farmer owned a piece of land in the village.
Okay. Now next line, Rashmi.
He grew paddy on it. He got some of the paddy.
Huh.
He got some of the paddy.
Some of paddy. Okay, I forgot to tell you one main rule here. You will either add a and the, or if you think this is nothing is going to fit in here, you can add x.
Okay.
X. He got some of paddy.
X.
Is there a mistake there? Is there a mistake? Could it be he got some of the paddy?
Paddy bags.
Yeah, he got some of the paddy bags. Very good. Sunil.
He took 10 bags of paddy to the market in his bullock cart.
Bullock cart. Repeat it again.
Bullock cart.
Yes. Irshad.
On the way, 2 bags fell on the road.
Very good. Rashmi. Now Rashmi.
The farmer tried to put the bag into the cart.
Okay. Now why did we not say the farmer?
Because he is a singer.
Yeah, because he's already introduced. No, like if you remember, one of the rules is, we introduce something in first 2 lines, and then later we don't call the again there. So we would say or now what did we say here? Rashmi, repeat again.
A farmer tried to put the bag into the cart.
Is it or the?
The.
Right? The
The.
farmer tried to put the.
Tried to put the bags into the cart.
Okay, good. Now, who's next? Sunil, is it you?
Yeah, he could not lift the bags.
Bags or the bags?
The bags.
The bags, yes. Irshad?
An elderly gentleman came that way. He helped the
Okay, now why did we say and?
because
Because-
he away.
No, because yeah, one rule is right. Next thing is because this gentleman is being introduced for the first time in this paragraph, right?
Yes.
Yes. Next, Rashmi.
He helped the farmer to put the bags on the cart.
Mm-hmm.
The
Sunil?
The farmer thanked him.
Thanked him.
No, sorry. Thanked gentleman for his help.
What is the or what is it?
The
The. So your line is, the farmer thanked the gentleman for his help, right?
Hmm.
Very good. I hope everyone else who's listening to the program also has understood. Now we have a set of match the followings here. I want each one to give it a try too. Okay? Yes, let's begin
Okay.
with Sunil this time. Sunil, Raghu, read the first one. Raghu
Raghu is an
is an,
honest man.
very good. And it's not honest, it's honest. H is
Honest.
silent. Oh,
Yeah.
no. H is silent. Honest man.
Honest man.
Yeah. Next, Rashmi.
Sharada is in a silk sari.
Very good. Irshad.
That pop star is playing the violin now. Sorry.
Good. Next one again, Sunil.
Bopanna plays tennis.
Bopanna plays tennis. Okay, very good. Are you convinced why we don't have a, the, and? Any doubt there, Sunil?
No.
No. Okay, next one.
Fish sells at ₹10 a kilo.
Very good. Is it a kilo or the kilo, Rashmi?
A kilo. C
A
option.
kilo. Okay, very good. So there's no doubt here. So can someone please summarize what we have discussed in this past 3 days about a, an, and the? A is used before consonant sounds. Do you remember the rule? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes. And where do we use and then?
The 5
In
vowel
front,
letters.
vowels. A, E, I, O, U.
Yeah, wherever we have sounds of vowels, letters that sound like vowels, there we use a, and the. What about the, sorry, what about the then?
For example, if we have some group of place name, for example, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So in that case, we use the word the.
Okay.
And for
What is that thing
While
called?
telling the
Is there any
specific
particular?
thing.
Very
Specific.
good. Something specific. Okay. So countries and name of places, if you are representing a group of states, then it is called as the
The
United,
States.
the United Kingdom,
the Philippines,
the Philippines. Very good. And then did we talk about something
The
in society?
mountain.
The
The mount-
people, the youth, the
The
government.
mountain.
The mountain, very good. The mountains, because mountain is never alone. You have the mountains. Okay,
Okay.
plurals.
Okay.
Wherever you have plurals also. So are all the, can we have one more round of quiz somewhere tomorrow or, 2 days later? Tomorrow we will be introducing a new topic, how you are going to talk, something that you speak on a regular basis. Okay. After that topic, let us once more go through a quiz to understand if and the is perfect with us. Okay. Okay, it's wonderful to see you three attending sessions every day. It will be nice if you can also spread this word amongst your colleagues at Kollu, at Kapu, and all other places. Okay, so that we have more participants in the coming days. It will be nice to see a large group participating, isn't it? So please spread the word for us, and thank you for joining all these sessions. Sri Lekha, right now over to you.